As discussed, martial law was specifically outlawed by the Posse Comitatus Act of 1878. The section of the Posse Comitatus Act that specifically pertains to the use of federal military forces for law enforcement functions is Section 15, which states, "From and after the passage of this Act, it shall not be lawful to employ any part of the Army of the United States as Posse Comitatus or otherwise for the purpose of executing the laws, except in such cases and under such circumstances as such employment of said forces may be expressly authorized by the Constitution or by Act of Congress. And no money appropriated by this Act shall be used to pay any of the expenses incurred in employing any troops in violation of this section. And any person willfully violating the provisions of this section shall be deemed guilty of a misdemeanor, and on conviction thereof shall be punished by fine not to exceed $10,000, or imprisonment not to exceed 2 years, or both such fine and imprisonment." The Posse Comitatus Act was updated in the 50s, the 90s, and again in 2021 to now include all branches of service, even the Space Force. As such, no federal forces can be used for law enforcement purposes. And whereas there have been several dubious claims of declarations of martial law after 1878, the only legitimate example I was able to find was in Hawaii following the bombing of Pearl Harbor. Every other claim of a declaration of martial law was either the use of exempt military forces or one of the exceptions to Posse Comitatus.